Defects in solids. Defects are two types: point defects and line defects. Point defects are due to deviation around a point or an atom in crystal. Line defect line defects are due to deviation in the entire row of lattice points. Point defect are three types: impurity, non-stoichiometric and stoichiometric. Impurity defect. This defect is due to the impurity in the crystal. For example, in molten NaCl, if SrCl2 is present, then some of Na plus ion are occupied by Sr plus 2 ions. Each Sr plus 2 replaces two Na plus ions. One of the site is occupied and the other remains vacant, denoted by white block. The vacancies are equal to number of Sr plus 2 ions. Another example is solid solution of Cl2 and AgCl, means silver chloride. Next, non-stoichiometric defect. Metal excess defect and metal deficiency defect are the non-stoichiometric defect. Metal excess defect due to the anionic vacancy. It is due to the absence of anion from lattice site, leaving a hole which is occupied by electron to maintain electrical neutrality. The anionic site occupied by unpaired electron and called F center. F means Furbensens, means color center. More number of F center, more will be the intensity of color. Next example, sodium chloride and LiCl, lithium chloride. Metal non-stoichiometric defect. Metal excess defect due to the presence of extra cation at interstitial site. Example, ZnO, zinc oxide. This is due to the movement of metal ions to interstitial site and the electron to neighboring interstitial site. ZnO is white when cold and yellow when hot because it lost oxygen and Zn plus 2 ion occupied by interstitial site. Metal deficiency defect. Example, FeO, ferrous oxide. It's a red color. This is due to absence of a metal ion from its lattice site and charge is balanced by an higher positive charge. Generally, transition element exhibit this defect. Ferrous oxide is mostly found with a composition of Fe 0.96 O. It may be range from 0.93 O to 0.96 O. Next, stoichiometric defect. Vacancy defect and interstitial defect are stoichiometric defect. These do not affect the stoichiometric of solid. These are called intrinsic or thermodynamic defect. It is of two types: first, vacancy, and second, interstitial defect. Vacancy and interstitial defect are shown by non-ionic solid. Vacancy defect: when some of the lattice site are vacant, it exhibit vacancy defect. This result in decrease in density of the substances. When some of lattice site are vacant, it exhibit vacancy defect. When some of the constituent particle occupy an interstitial site, it exhibit interstitial defect. This result in the increase in the density of the substances. Ionic solid have to maintain electrical neutrality, so they exhibit Frenkel and Schottky defect. Frenkel defect. This is observed when the smaller ion, means cation, is dislocated from its normal site and occupy interstitial site. This does not change the density of substance. This is shown by ionic solid, where there is a large difference in the size of ion and low coordination number, which is 4 to 6. Example: ZnS zinc sulfate, AgCl silver chloride, AgCl silver iodide, AgI, and silver bromide. Shortage effect. This is due to a vacancy at cationic site and equal number of vacancy at anion site. In order to maintain electrical neutrality, this decreases in the density of the solids. This is shown by ionic solids when cation and anion are having almost equal size and high coordination number, which 6 to 8. Example: sodium chloride, cesium chloride, silver bromide, and potassium chloride. Solid have a good range of electrical neutrality. 10 raised to power minus 22, 10 raised to power 7 ohm meter inverse. Solid are classified into 3 types based on the conductivities.